Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to use checkdisk command on Windows 11 to repair hard disk or SSD issues. If you see any error related to your hard disk or SSD or particular drive, you can use checkdisk command to repair the issues. It will not repair physical problems but related to software issues, it can fix the issues. So what you have to do is first click on the start button and type cmd in the search results. Right click on the command prompt app and select run as administrator option. If user account control prompts, click yes. Then type chkdsk space drive letter such as G, then colon, then put a space. After that type slash and F. Then press enter on the keyboard. It will start repairing your particular drive. Similarly, you can use the same command check disk for C drive, D drive or whatever you have. You can use the command. If you use this command to repair the C drive, it will prompt you to confirm do you want to use check disk command during restart. On which drive you have installed Windows, that drive cannot be repaired without restarting your PC. So for C drive, suppose you have installed Windows on C drive, you need to restart your PC. Then after only it will repair hard disk issue. Let me show you. I change the command to repair C disk, and after entering, you can see it is prompting to confirm. So I have to press here Y. I have to type Y and press enter. It will repair my drive C. Then I will restart my Windows 11. It will automatically repair. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next video.